Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I teach you about the topic of how to earn money online to USA. How can I make real money online in USA? Find freelance work in when you work for yourself and complete projects on a contract basis. Start a YouTube channel, start a drop shipping business, take online surveys, create a blog, write and publish and earn book, develop and book. Become a virtual tutor. How can I earn extra income in USA? Freelancing is a tried and true way to earn extra money and deserves a top spot on any list of easy side hustle ideas. Pet shooting and doggies, daycare, dog walking, dash step, services, blogging, senior sitting and compensations. How can I make $100 a day? How to make $150 a day? How to make $75 a day? How can I earn money, extra income in USA? Touch tab, services, blogging, and other things. How to make $50 a day online. Taking online service in easy ways to earn some extra cash. Sell your stuff, complete micro tasks, become a freelancer, participate in affiliate marketing, create online courses, participate in online focus group, start a blog. How to earn money from home? Rent out room in your home because houses tutors become an online tutors. Rent out your car, start a freelance business, start sitting at your home. Monetize social media as streaming accounts, sell web domain names. How can I make extra money in Canada? Short summary: freelance is a good ways to make money online in Canada in high demand areas like content writing, graphic designs, and programming. Content writing, graphic design, programming, language tutoring, academic tutors, skill based sketching, handmade items on Etsy. How can I make money in our 1 hour? Participate in pet service, freelance quick task, freelance writing, virtual assistant task, social media promotions, edit or proofread content, sell unused items, participate in focus group. So now our topic is end. See you the next video. Take care. Bye.